Yeah. Never off the head and watch the body fall. See you in the depths that ain't no metaphor.
Hey guys, what's up? It's just Yara. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. So I know this is going to be a little bit out of place, but this is just an intro for the video that you are about to see. I realized that once I finished up outside, getting dressed, all the different looks, I didn't film an intro for you guys. I'm so sorry. But hey guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. My name's just Yara. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe as well. We're building our family slowly but surely. But I really hope you enjoyed this video where I asked you guys on my Instagram, which if you're not following me on, what are you doing? Anyway, I asked you guys on my Instagram to send me some songs, and with those songs that you guys suggest me, I will then create an outfit or a look based off of that song. It was really hard. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, it was really hard to come up with some outfits for the song. For other songs, it was just really difficult. Plus, it was really hot today and I was sweating in half of the outfits. I didn't do all the outfits that I wanted to do, so I'm definitely gonna do a part 2. But I really do hope you guys like the outfits. I really do hope you guys like the concept. If you do, give it a thumbs up so I know that you guys like these type of videos, and I will definitely make sure to do more of them. All the outfits also will be linked in my description if you want to get them. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.
Why don't you say so? I didn't even notice. No punches that to roll. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so?
Let me check my chest, my breath right quick. He ain't never seen it in a dress like this. He ain't never even been impressed like this. Probably why I got him quiet on the set like zip. Like it, love it, need it, bad. Take it, own it, steal it, fast. The boy stop playing, grab my ass.
Acting like you shy.
Yeah, ain't tryna be cool like you. Wobbling around in your high heel shoes, I'm clumsy. Made friends with the floor. 2 for 1, you know a bitch by 4. And 2 left feet, you know I always drop. First thing a girl did was a bop. And the whole damn cake and the cherry on top. Shook up the bottom, made a good girl pop. You ain't even here to party. Ken in the club tryna pipe a Barbie. I don't wanna go with the flow back then until I touch my toes. I don't wanna row the boat. Wrist full of rocks and I hope I float. Big up yourself cause you know they don't. I chew cause they hope I show. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss.
I thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me. The start of nothing, I had no chance to prepare. I couldn't see you coming. The start of nothing, ooh, I could hit you now. It's quite alright to hit me now.
That's made me believe it. That's made me believe it. Believe you won't deceive me. Hey, that's made me believe it. That's made me believe it. That's made me believe it. Believe you won't deceive me.
First you gotta forgive me. Let me know everything gon' be okay, even if I come out like everything I did. If so, let me know. If I propose, would you say no? Would you break my heart? Would you embarrass me or play your part? Baby, don't fold, my heart is yours. You got the power, pussy power. You got the power, pussy power.
This lip gloss, it worked for me.
I gotta ask him, cause if I don't, it's poppin'. I don't know. It's poppin'. Let's go. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? They said my lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss be poppin'. I'm standing at my locker and all the boys keep stopping. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? They said my lip gloss is poppin'. My lip gloss is cool. All the boys keep jocking. They chase me after school. Mac, L'Oreal, yep, cause I'm worth it.
No punches got to roll. This is the most awkward thing I've ever done.